Kenya Bureau of Standards Lake region started way back in 1995. Yeah, started at a small scale with our first offices were located at Milimani with a paltry workforce of 8. Yeah, from there we then got another office at the Kenya Port Authority Inland Container Depot, somewhere near KEBS. This is where our office was hosted, and we started off with small microbiology laboratories. And later on, because of the needs and the expansions that the services that Bureau of Standards is offering to the public was growing, the management then saw it that we need to expand. And in 2017, the complex within which we are right now was opened, and we moved in where we have laboratories and other support services delivering the mandate of the Bureau of Standards. We have, of course, our presence in Kisumu as a county. We have Siaya. We deal with Vihiga. Kakamega is in. Homa Bay is covered by Kisumu as well. Kisii, Nyamira. So it's a total of almost 11 counties. So that in itself tells you a lot of agricultural activity that happens within here. And of course, the biggest freshwater lake in Africa just next door. So fish is also a big product that we deal in. The Bureau has 4 main arms. We have Quality Assurance Department and Inspection. These ones are the ones responsible for visiting the farms, checking out what comes in at our points of entry. Then out of Quality Assurance and Inspection, we have, of course, the standards development, which also does the standards that we use in facilitating the trade within the country. But then when we come to testing services, where I am in, now we offer support to these arms of the Bureau, because what happens is the lab is the place where the verification of the products that you have brought in is done to confirm whether there is compliance or none. Within the Lake region, we have 3 fully fledged laboratories in food and agriculture, in chemistry, and in microbiology. We have agricultural commodities in terms of the grains, we have peanuts. We also have the manufacturers who've set up facilities like the beverages, consumer products in terms of hygiene products. We've got fertilizers also coming in for test, because this is important so that the farmer gets value or quality out of what they have applied to get their crops. Apart from the plants, we will also deal with animal feeds. Yeah, because there are lots of industries that have also come up to do animal feed manufacturing. We partner with our headquarter labs in terms of testing for the engineering products. So this would include building materials, roofing materials, the nails. We have our mechanical engineering labs, which we also partner with. You have the bars that are used for reinforced concrete for buildings. We have what is called non-destructive testing in mechanical engineering, where, let's say, gas cylinders, how safe are they? So these are tests that are done at the headquarter labs. But we at the regions are now closer to the people or the manufacturers who are in this business. Cut that distance short, they bring it to this facility, they don't have to take it to Nairobi. Then it is now Kenya Bureau of Standards Lake region offices that interface with Nairobi to offer those testing services. In our chemistry laboratories, there is also now what we got environmental monitoring. Remember, for environmental sustainability, if you are in business, much as you want to sell, you are effluent, if I could call waste, should not impact negatively the environment. So we also do testing for wastewater in terms of how good it is before you do any discharge, and our labs here have been certified by National Environment Management Authority. To strengthen quality control within the labs that offer services to the public, we have proficiency testing schemes. What I mean is the lab prepares a material. I know it has component A, B, C, and D in these levels, but then now I distribute it to other labs just to find out what are they capable of achieving. So again, our lab in Nairobi is a PT provider within the East African community, and we also now make those arrangements with the headquarter lab so that the other laboratories within the region that would want to participate can get the materials easily and efficiently from us. We have those clients who maybe want to do startups, and you just want to know, this product that I'm starting to do, is it going to be compliant or not? So upfront, we would have clients who would come in. I have this product which I want tested. So yes, there are those walk-in clients who we will take their samples, do the tests, and release the results. But the testing is not only a pre-serve of the private customers, but we also offer this for verification of compliance within the markets. One thing with laboratory services in several areas is the result that comes out of a lab is as good as the system or the process that has been put in place. So one thing with the Kenya Bureau of Standards labs in the Lake region is we are operating under a laboratory management system, which is ISO 17025. This is for competence of testing and calibration labs. So what this guarantees us is that the results that we give out for the products that are outlined earlier, we give you results that you can depend on at an affordable price. The only way of ascertaining that my product is going to stand out is through subjecting it to lab test, and not just any other laboratory to do this. So we assure you as our clients that the systems that we have put in place in terms of competent staff, the kind of equipment that we have put into the laboratories, guarantee us that we are going to give you results that you can depend on. And with accreditation, the markets get opened because it is one certificate accepted everywhere in terms of what you call mutual recognition agreements. So you come to us with our accreditation facilities and with the time efficiency that we will give you our results, then many doors will open for you to sell your products. We as Kenya Bureau of Standards, and in particular testing services, want to be a partner in the journey of our small, medium, and even large enterprises. Because without engaging laboratory services, I would take it like you want to cross a road, but you are blindfolded.